Hello friends, today we are going to learn water. After watching this video, you all are able to explain impurities present in water. So let's start with different impurities present in water. Remember one thing, water is associated with the four types of impurities. First one is biological impurity, second one is suspended impurity, third one is colloidal impurity, and fourth one is dissolved impurity. Water contain algae, bacteria, fungi, microorganisms as biological impurity. Water contain algae, bacteria, fungi, microorganism as a biological impurity. Water also contain clay and mud as a suspended impurity. While water contain clay and mud as a colloidal impurity also. Then what is difference between suspended and colloidal impurity? What is the difference between suspended and colloidal impurity? Colloidal impurity has a small particle size, that is 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. This is a major difference between suspended and colloidal impurity. While fourth one, dissolved impurity. Dissolved impurity are of two kinds: dissolved gases and dissolved salts. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and H2S gases are in dissolved condition. These are the dissolved gases which are present in water. While calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate, these salts are responsible for hardness of water. So water associated with the four types of impurity: biological, suspended, colloidal and dissolved impurity. वाटर में जो अल्गी, बैक्टीरिया, फंगल ऑब्जेक्ट्स या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, लिविंग जो भी होगी चीज़ें, वो बायोलॉजिकल इम्प्योरिटी होती हैं. वाटर में क्ले और मड, लार्ज पार्टिकल साइज, वो सस्पेंडेड इम्प्योरिटी होती है. वाटर में क्ले और मड, स्मॉल पार्टिकल साइज, वो कोलाइडल इम्प्योरिटी होती है. डिजॉल्व इम्प्योरिटी दो टाइप की होती है: डिजॉल्व गैसेस एंड डिजॉल्व सॉल्ट्स. ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, H2S, ये सारे गैसेस वाटर में सोल्यूबल स्टेट में होती है. सो दीज आर द डिजॉल्व गैसेस. वाइल कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट, मैग्नीशियम बाइकार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम क्लोराइड, मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड, कैल्शियम सल्फेट और मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट. सो ये सॉल्ट्स जो है वो डिजॉल्व सॉल्ट्स है.